Play with the ball.
Scoot in, Corey.
What?
Kyle, what do you got?
Hi, Kyle. Hi, Kyle.
Kyle.
What you doing, boy?
Hey, roll the ball. Let him hit it.
Kyle. What's the Bible? Nope, that's not. Turn on TV.
Play with your brother, Corey. Hi, honey. Kyle.
Your mommy, look at your mommy. Your mommy, look it. Talk to your mommy. You know
Kyle.
that you're supposed to talk to your mommy. You know that. You talk to your mommy first before you look at me. Do it, talk. Oh, you want it? Deal. I made him look, huh? No, make him look at you. Like he's looking at you. Okay? Okay?
I was gonna move in front of him in a second.